Walked into the kitchen, purpose unknown. Opened the fridge like it owed me a loan. Held my phone, thoughts completely gone. Set it by the milk and carried on. 10 minutes later, I'm feeling insane. Pacing the house like I misplaced my brain. I put my phone in the fridge again, next to the leftovers and yesterday's plans. Looking for answers, cool as can be. Turns out the problem is probably me. Remote in the pantry, keys in a shoe, coffee in the microwave, forgot what to do. Life moves fast, brain lags behind. Autopilot's driving, I'm just along for the ride. They say slow down, be present, be here, but my phone's chilling with the root beer. I put my phone in the fridge again, trying to multitask like a superhero. Then now I'm calling it from another device, hoping it answers cold and polite. Maybe my mind's just overheating, needs a break, some internal defrosting. If thoughts had labels, this one would read human condition, slightly used. Comes with age, that's cool, but why does it hide my stuff like a fool? I put my phone in the fridge again, right next to the cheese and questionable ham. If this is progress, I'll take it slow. At least my phone's got a place to chill though.